Good morning all, welcome to a new week in the bus build. This week we're going to get the carpet down in the cabin. So we pulled up the original flooring when we first started the demolition, so it's been off for a long time. And now we have the new carpet, we're going to put it down. So let me show you the carpet I've got and show you how what I think I'm going to do. So we've just gone for a marine carpet. It's black. It's just it's like a velour. It's soft and backing, and it doesn't fray at the edges when you cut it, so that's good. I just got it from Clark Rubber. It was $45 in a metre length. It's 2 metres wide, and I got 2 metres of it, which should be plenty. So we've got to recover the passenger side and also the driver's side. So I'm working on the passenger side first because the seat's already out. So that's what I'm going to hit. I've got to make all the cuts, which is going to be fun, and get it all the way around there. So that's what I'm going to work on now. I'm going to take some measurements and cut the width down of the carpet so I can work with it a bit easier. And it'll be the same on the other side, and there should be enough to cover this section as well once I've finished. Alright guys, just a quick update. This is very fiddly to get around. You can't cut it sideways without not being sure how much to leave up here, so what I've got to do is I've got to cut around each one as we go, and down around under there as well, so that's a bit fiddly, so I can make sure I've left enough up the top here to cut around there. So it's going to be a fiddly day today. I've got to get this done because we're going away on Thursday, so I want to make sure that at least the carpet's down. It doesn't have to be fixed, but as long as it's down, so when we're travelling we don't puncture through the insulation. G'day guys, still working on this carpet on the passenger side. Worked on it all day yesterday and today. I hate working with carpet, I've realised, especially in a bus in the front. There's probably a better way of doing this than what I'm doing. I've got no idea, but when it gets to spots like this, the carpet just bunches up and you can't get it down. So I've had to cut it, and what I'll do is I'll cut some slits to match where I've done it, and I'll have to cut a bit off this one here on the side, because what it was doing, it was just bunching right here in the center and also down here, and I just couldn't get it to sit properly. So the only way I can do it is cut it. Now if you know of any other way to do it, please put it in the comments below, because I've still got to do the driver's side. So any help would be great. Alright guys, we've finished the passenger seat. That's from behind. Look, it's not perfect. I'm not a carpet layer or expert by any means, and if you have a look closely, it's not brilliant, but it's come up alright and I'm happy, and that's the main thing, I guess. Still got that side to go, so that's going to be fun. But anyway, that's what the passenger side looks like now it's done.